How are you all doing today? If you are in this video and you are looking for more infos on the Fitspresso, then let me just tell you that you have to stay right there because you made it all the way to the correct video. Today I want to share with you everything about the Fitspresso. This is something that is going to be combined with something that we love, which is coffee. So all my coffee lovers out there, if you are ready to start losing weight and actually release the fats off of your body, then you need to stay right there because I'm going to be showing you how the Fitspresso works. I mean, even the name has got a kick to it, right? So without further ado, if you are ready to start losing weight with Fitspresso and still take your coffee every single day, then you need to listen up, okay? But guys, before I move on, I left for you Fitspresso's official webpage just below this video in the description box. Make sure to check out that link. I mean, the official webpage is basically the only place on the internet to purchase it. It is where you can get to see what other people are saying about it. It is where you can learn more about Fitspresso's story and so much more, okay? Plus, you are going to be making a very safe and secure purchase, so make sure you go there afterwards, please. Anyways, guys, Fitspresso, it basically works by tapping into your body's natural circadian rhythm. Basically, at certain times during the day, our fat cells are ready to release fat. And losing weight is really easy. It's effortless. It's called our fat burning window. If you are overweight, then your fat burning window basically opens and already closes. It doesn't even give time for your body to release fat stores, you know? So Fitspresso works by keeping that window open for much longer and speeding up your metabolism so you can burn fat and release it through that window. Fitspresso basically combines the power of super synergy and 6 clinically proven ingredients that when combined with coffee, it's going to electrify your metabolism and allow for all-day fat burning. So best to say, you're going to be on all-day fat burning mode throughout the whole day. And what's really great is that once your fat burning window is open, your metabolism is actually working out really fast. It is targeting the stored fats around your body to eliminate them through that fat burning window. So that's why Fitspresso is so powerful, because the minute it electrifies your metabolism, it's going to work really fast, much more faster than it ever worked before. And the best thing about it is that this is a all-natural supplement. It has no side effects and it has no GMOs. Fitspresso can be used by anyone who is looking to really burn down weight, people who don't have the time to work out, people who don't want to work out. Either way, Fitspresso is a completely organic solution. And all you have to do is just combine it with coffee in the morning. So once you're preparing your cup of joe in the morning, you take your Fitspresso along with it and let it do its magic. You're going to be amazed by how fast you're going to be losing weight and how fast you're going to regain your self-esteem, guys. I promise you, okay? Plus, take your treatment seriously. If you really want to boost up your confidence, don't forget about taking Fitspresso. Do a 3 to 6 months treatment, which is the recommended treatment, okay? And you have to use it every morning. If you don't see results, maybe you're unhappy with Fitspresso for whatever personal reasons, you do have a 180-day money-back guarantee. So look at it on the bright side. You're not throwing your money away. You can have it back if Fitspresso does not work out for you, okay? But for now, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have questions, if you have doubts, feel free to leave them in the comments below for us to help you out. Have a great day and take care, guys. See you.